to use Zelle with cheese. Hi everybody, in this tutorial I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you use Zelle with cheese. First thing, you need to start by enrolling in Zelle through a Cheese mobile app or Cheese Bank's website. First thing first, log into your Cheese account, and in the app section you want to tap on Pay and Transfer. As you click on Pay and Transfer, you will then be taken to the next field. What you need to do is here. So now then you want to go ahead and click on Pay and Transfer. As you click on Pay and Transfer, you could find this section as Zelle. So what you have to do is you simply want to go ahead and select Zelle or send money through Zelle. Once you do it, so read the terms and condition, all that, and follow the on-screen prompt in order to continue the procedure. As you've actually done it, so you'll then be asked to verify it, and once verified, you'll be ready to send and receive money through Zelle. So this is how you could use Zelle with Cheese. And similarly, if you want to send money with Zelle, you just have to open the Cheese mobile app, navigate to Pay and Transfer, and then send money with Zelle. Choose a recipient to add a new one and enter the exact amount, all that. And this is the simplest way you could use Zelle with Cheese. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.